In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a plastic drain assembly. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the hot and cold water inlets to the bathroom faucet. They're usually located in the cabinet below the faucet. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using adjustable pliers or an adjustable wrench, plumber's putty or sealant, and safety glasses. Step 2. Install the drain assembly. The faucet trim should already be in place. If your faucet has a chrome, spot resist, or brushed nickel finish, follow these drain assembly instructions. Thoroughly clean and dry the sink surface. Remove the protective covering on the waste seat and unthread the drain nut, washer, and drain gasket. Apply plumber's putty or sealant to the bottom of the waste seat and place it in the drain opening. Slide the drain gasket tapered side up onto the waste seat. Then, slide the washer onto the waste seat and thread the drain nut until it's almost secure. Position the O-ring in the groove at the top of the tailpiece. Thread the tailpiece onto the waste seat. Rotate the entire assembly so the pivot rod opening is facing the back of the sink. Now tighten the drain nut completely. Insert the pop-up plug into the drain. Then place the lift rod into the opening on the faucet body. Slide the lift rod strap onto the lift rod and tighten the bolt to hold it in place. Remove the pivot rod nut and make sure the seal is in place. Slide the pivot rod nut onto the pivot rod. Insert the rod into the opening and tighten the nut. Place the pivot rod clip around the proper hole in the lift rod strap and insert the pivot rod. The knob on the lift rod should be positioned about 1/8 of an inch from the faucet body. In the open position, the drain plug should be 1/2 inch above the waste seat. You should also be able to close the drain completely. Make any adjustments to the lift rod strap and lift rod as needed. Tighten the bolt on the lift rod strap with an adjustable wrench to secure it in place. Remove any excess putty or sealant around the waste seat. If your faucet has a bronze finish, the waste seat and drain body attaches in a slightly different way. Remove the pop-up plug from the drain body and unthread the waste seat. Apply plumber's putty or sealant to the bottom of the waste seat and place it in the drain opening. Thread the drain body into the waste seat. Make sure the pivot rod opening is facing the back of the sink. Then tighten the drain nut with adjustable pliers until it's secure. Follow the previous instructions to install the pop-up plug, lift rod, pivot rod, and strap. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a plastic drain assembly is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.